Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable fingerprints unlock for secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then you can swipe up on the home screen. Once you are in the app screen, tap on secure folder. Then tap on the option key at the top and tap on settings. In the settings screen, tap on lock type. In here, you will need to put in a PIN or a password to go into the secure folder. And then you want to go to the biometrics section and tap on fingerprint switch to turn it on or off. So once this is turned on, then we can use fingerprints to unlock the secure folder. So let's take a look. So I'm going to go in here and say lock and exit. So I'm going to exit the secure folder. And now I want to go back into the secure folder. And this time I can either use the PIN to log into my secure folder, or I can use my fingerprint to log in. And that's it. That's how you can turn on or turn off the fingerprints unlock for the secure folder for your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.